Hi there, Brock VandenBerg with TaliMar Financial, your California hard money lender. I want to start off by saying happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for all those real estate investors, mortgage brokers, and agents that either utilized TaliMar Financial for their hard money lending needs or reached out to us for any hard money loans that they needed. We thank you very much. Always like to take a moment and highlight a recent transaction that we funded. Recently we funded a $568,000 fix and hold loan here in San Diego. Our client reached out to us with a real short closing, about 5 days to close on the transaction. And what they were doing was purchasing the property, rehabbing the existing house, and building an accessory dwelling unit. Once that accessory dwelling unit's done and they've leased up the property, they'll get conventional financing, pay back our loan, and hold it as a long-term rental. It's a great way of building long-term wealth. Obviously, we see a lot of fix and flip loans with the intention of the borrower buying the property, rehabbing it, immediately selling it. But more recently, especially within the last couple of months, we've seen a huge or a big growth in this kind of fix and hold ADU space. So please, if you are interested in getting a hard money loan in California, give us a call here at TaliMar Financial. We specialize in financing residential and commercial hard money loans that can be purchase loans, refinance, or cash out refinance. We fund a lot of fix and flip loans, bridge loans, and new construction loans. Contact information is here. Wish you a great Thanksgiving, and I look forward to hearing from you going into the new year. You take care.